Harnessing the sun's power through solar inverters and circuits can seem like an infinite source of energy. But that's far from the truth. Solar inverters and circuits are designed to handle specific amounts of electrical load. Overloading them can lead to serious safety issues. Like any other system, they have their limits. Try to imagine them as a glass of water. If you pour too much too quickly, you'll end up with a mess. Remember, your solar inverter and circuits aren't superheroes, they have their limits. Enter the unsung heroes of any electrical system, fuses and circuit breakers. These are not just bits of metal and plastic, they are safety devices designed with precision to protect your electrical circuits from overloads and short circuits. They function as the gatekeepers, allowing the flow of electricity at a safe level and interrupting it when things get a bit too intense. Just like a dam controls the flow of water, fuses and circuit breakers control the flow of electricity. When the current surges, exceeding the safe level, they spring into action and halt the flow, thereby preventing damage to your appliances and the wiring. Without them, a simple overload could turn into an unwelcome house fire or damaged appliances. So, next time you see a fuse or a circuit breaker, remember they are the silent guardians of your electrical system, keeping everything running smoothly and safely. However, even these guardians can be compromised if not used correctly. It's tempting to think that replacing a blown fuse or a tripped circuit breaker with a larger one is a smart move. It's a common misconception that this would prevent those annoying power interruptions. But here's the catch. This practice can push your wiring beyond its limits, causing overheating, insulation damage, and even creating a potential fire hazard. The wiring hidden within your walls and ceilings is designed to handle a certain capacity. If you increase the fuse size without upgrading the wiring, you're effectively pulling the rug out from under a key safety feature. The wiring itself becomes the fuse, and the consequences could be catastrophic. Bigger isn't always better, especially when it comes to fuses and circuit breakers. So, what's the takeaway from all this? It's simple, really. When dealing with electrical systems, we must respect their limits. Fuses and circuit breakers are not mere inconveniences. They're safety devices designed to protect us and our appliances. Replacing them with larger ones without considering the capacity of the hidden wiring can lead to serious hazards. Instead, let's be proactive. Evaluate your electrical load, consult with a qualified electrician, or consider an upgrade to your electrical panel. Remember, safety should never be compromised for convenience. Always respect your electrical system's limits, and when in doubt, consult a professional. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content.